Good morning or good afternoon. Greetings for everyone. Welcome back again. Let's learn the pronunciation of 40 plus medical terms that we need to understand and to know. You can hear them said by doctors when they don't want you to understand what they're talking about. So it's very important to understand what these terms are and what they mean, what they refer to. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say the pronunciation. I'll add the definition because I'm not an expert and I'm not pretending to be an expert or a doctor of medicine. I'm just teaching you how to say them correctly. So if you're a medical student, if you're a graduate and you heard your professor say them differently, so it's probably going to be a good time for you to say that correctly. Anatomy, 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 anemia, 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 cardiology, 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 diabetes, 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 encephalitis, 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 fracture, 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 renal failure, renal failure, renal failure, geriatrics, 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 hemophilia, 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 hypertension, hypertension, immunology, 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 inflammation, 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 nephrology, 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 oncology, oncology, orthopedics, 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 pediatrics, 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 physiology, 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 pneumonia, 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 psychiatry, 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 pulmonology, 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 radiology, 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 rheumatology, 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 urology, 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 allergy, 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 arthritis, 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 asthma, 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 bronchitis, 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 cardiac arrest, cardiac arrest, cardiac arrest, cardiomyopathy, 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 celiac disease, celiac disease, celiac disease, cerebral palsy, cerebral palsy, cerebral palsy, colitis, 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 concussion, 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 concussion. That's how we say it. Concussion, concussion, concussion. Crohn's disease, Crohn's disease, Crohn's disease. Cystic fibrosis, cystic fibrosis, cystic fibrosis. Dementia, dementia, dementia. Dermatitis, dermatitis, dermatitis. Diabetes mellitus, diabetes mellitus, diabetes mellitus. Endometriosis, endometriosis, endometriosis. Epilepsy, epilepsy, epilepsy. Erectile dysfunction, erectile dysfunction. Gastroenteritis, gastroenteritis. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, gastroesophageal reflux disease, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Glaucoma, glaucoma, glaucoma.